Google evaluates your website using a smartphone crawler. The desktop version of your site is no longer used for indexing or ranking. If you use dynamic serving or maintain a separate mobile URL, this creates a structural vulnerability. Any content that exists on your desktop site but is missing from your mobile layout is invisible to Google. To fix this, we need to establish complete parity. Every piece of text, media, and code on your desktop version must have a corresponding match on your mobile version. Because the crawler uses the mobile site as the primary source for its index, your search presence now depends on what is accessible in the mobile environment. Step 1 is structural parity. Often, designers delete blocks of text on the mobile version to save screen space. Doing this removes your keywords from the index. Looking at this side-by-side comparison, we can see a solution. Instead of removing the desktop text block, the content is moved into a tap-to-open accordion menu on the mobile interface. The text remains available in the code. This rule extends to your headings. Your H1 and H2 tags must remain semantically identical and present across both platforms. Stripping content to make a mobile page look cleaner reduces the information Google can read, which shrinks your indexable footprint. Step 2 is aligning the invisible architecture. We need to move past the visual interface and audit the head section of your HTML. In this diagram, desktop and mobile title tags snap together. They must be an exact match. Moving down, the same parity is required for meta descriptions. Next, we check JSON LD script blocks. Structured data payloads must carry over. During development, it's easy to accidentally leave a no-index tag strictly on the mobile side. If present, Google will not show the page in search results. If severe mobile space constraints force you to prioritize which structured data to keep, ensure you retain breadcrumb, product, and video object markups first. Mismatched metadata signals to the crawler that your mobile page is a different, lower-quality entity than its desktop counterpart. Step 3 focuses on media visibility. The mobile crawler navigates pages mechanically, which affects how it processes images and video. All images on your mobile site require descriptive alt text and should be delivered in supported formats, like WebP, PNG, or JPEG. The crawler cannot physically swipe, click, or type. If an image requires a user interaction to load, the crawler sees a blank box. To fix this, ensure your primary videos and images render in the DOM immediately upon the initial page load. If an automated crawler cannot trigger the asset to load, that media does not exist in Google's index. For sites operating separate mobile URLs, M.dot architectures, there are specific bidirectional linking requirements. Looking at this diagram, you can see the required tagging cycle. The desktop URL must contain a rel alternate link pointing to the mobile URL. The mobile URL must then point back to the desktop using a rel canonical link. Without these explicit tags verified in Search Console, Google treats the desktop and mobile versions as competing duplicate sites. Step 4 is verification. The objective test of your mobile parity is the Google Search Console URL inspection tool. Here in the Search Console interface, you begin by running a test live URL command. Once processed, you open the View Tested Page panel to access the Screenshot and HTML tabs. Reviewing the Screenshot tab reveals if any robots.txt rules are blocking Google from accessing your mobile assets, which leaves images or CSS files unrendered. Next, switch to the HTML tab. This is where you manually verify that your structured data and exact meta tags are present in the rendered code. Inspecting the final rendered code is the only way to confirm exactly what Google extracts for indexing. By aligning your text, media, metadata, and architectural tags, you establish parity between your desktop and mobile environments. Eliminating these visibility gaps allows the crawler to access your content more reliably, preventing your ranking signals from being lost due to missing elements. To maintain this state, use the Page Indexing Report in Search Console to monitor for rendering errors or dropped pages. Mobile-first parity is an ongoing discipline. Keeping your code synchronized ensures your site is evaluated accurately as Google's crawlers explore your pages.